Let's learn Dance in the Rain. It's choreographed by Furnell, Godden and Esmeralda Van de Pol. It is a 32 count 2-wall improver level line dance with restarts on walls 4 and 8 after 8 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restarts and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 9 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Dance in the Rain. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step out, out, right, left. So you're going to step your right foot forward into the right diagonal, step your left foot forward into the left diagonal. We're now going to shuffle back with our right, stepping right back, left together, right back. You're now going to step your left foot back into the left back diagonal, step your right foot back into the right back diagonal, and then you're going to shuffle forward with your left, stepping left, forward, right together, forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your out, out. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left. We're now going to do ball touches. So you're going to step your right foot back, touch your left toe forward. Step back with your left, touch your right toe forward. We're now going to step back with our right. And as we step back with our right, you're going to bring your right hand up and around and put it onto your right hip. And then you're going to bump your hip left, right, left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, rocking with your right. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder as we do a ball cross. So you're going to step your left next to your right and cross your right over your left. You're now facing 3 o'clock. We're going to hold. We're now going to do a ball crossing shuffle. So you're going to step your left foot to the left side, cross your right over your left, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right over your left. Rock your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and now we're going to weave, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our hip bump. You're going to do your ball cross. And 1, hold 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a Monterey quarter turn with a hitch. So we're going to point our right toe to the right side, slightly angling your body to the left. We're going to do a quarter turn over our right shoulder, turning on your left foot and stepping your right next to your left to face 6 o'clock. You're going to point your left toe to the left side and then hit your left knee up. We're now going to do 2 walks back, left, right, and we're going to do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, right together, left forward, and that is the whole dance. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your Monterey quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, hitch, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that's the end of the dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're stepping out, out, right, left. Out, out, shuffle back. Out, out, shuffle forward. Rock, recover, ball touch the back of your hand. Bump your hip, left, right, left. Quarter ball cross. Hold, ball crossing shuffle, side rock, recover, behind side cross. Monterey quarter turn with a hitch. Walk back, back, coaster step. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, going out, out. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, hold 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restarts. Your first restart will be on wall 4, so you'll be dancing the 6 o'clock wall. You're going to dance the first 8 counts and then restart the dance. So weight is on your left, you're doing your out, 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 shuffle back, out, out, shuffle forward. And then you will restart the dance, out, out, shuffle back, out, out, shuffle forward, and continue on with the 32 counts. This will be then wall 5. You'll dance wall 5, wall 6, and wall 7 all the way through. When we come back to the front for wall 8, you're going to dance those same 8 counts. Out, out, shuffle, back, out, out, shuffle, forward, and then restart the dance again. Now, your final wall is a 6 o'clock facing wall. It's going to end after you do your rock, recover, ball, touch, ball, touch. You're going to step back with your right. You're going to bring that right hand up and around. And then you're going to look over your right shoulder to the front, and you can kind of bump your hip to end the dance if you would like, but you can just kind of end by looking over your shoulder. Other than that, you don't have to worry about anything else. So now let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 9 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the restarts into their next walls. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our out, out. Out, out, shuffle back, out, out, shuffle forward, rock, recover, ball, touch, step back with your hand, bump your hip, left, left, ball forward, cross, hold, ball, crossing shuffle, side rock, recover, behind, side cross, Monterey quarter with a hitch, walk back, back, coaster, step, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, hold 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, out, out, shuffle back, out, out, shuffle forward, rock, recover, ball, touch it back with your hand, bump your hip, left, quarter ball, cross, hold, ball, crossing shuffle, side rock, recover, behind, side cross, Monterey quarter with a hitch, walk back, back, coaster, step, 8 counts, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, restart, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, hold 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, out, out, shuffle back, out, out, shuffle forward, rock, recover, ball, touch, step back with your hand, bump your hip, left, quarter ball, cross, hold, ball, crossing shuffle, side rock, recover, behind, side cross, Monterey quarter with a hitch, walk back, back, coaster, step, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, roll 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 8 counts, out, out, shuffle back, out, out, shuffle forward, restart, out, out, shuffle back, out, out, shuffle forward, rock, recover, ball, touch, step back with your hand, bump your hip, left, quarter ball, cross, hold, ball, crossing shuffle, side rock, recover, behind, side cross, Monterey quarter with a hitch, walk back, back, coaster, step. After that, you will dance through until the music is starting to end. You'll hear it coming, and you'll end with your look over your right shoulder to 12 o'clock. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo, so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Dance in the Rain. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Stronger than ever, and I feel fine. Pain in my back like a shadow. Every step felt slow and hollow. Now I'm standing like a king. The sun is up, let the summer begin. Hey! Doctor fix me now, I'm still feel so good from how to feel. No more limits, no more pain. My body's dancing in the rain. and some